So your low water, refill, and stop fill, you're gonna wanna set this one closest to the tank to your normally closed side, right there. And then this is your sensitivity adjustment. It moves that little green LED right there. So we're gonna wanna know where the water level's at. Whenever it goes above the water level, you wanna make sure that it actually goes to the other side. So I know there's no water up here, but I do know that there's water there, so we want that right there. So whenever we have water, we're good scenario. And then no water, we want it to go ahead and alarm. And whenever it alarms, you can faintly see a yellow light. That thing's perfect. Now we're gonna want to mount it. And we're good. This thing is not going anywhere. Just to refresh, your low water, refill, and your stop fill set to normally closed. Your overflow, the sensor up top, that one's gonna be set to normally open right there, which they come like that in the factory.